Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we're going to explore the strategies you need to know in 2024 for getting those all-important student reviews on Teachable. Firstly, let's talk about content. The key to any successful course is delivering exceptional, engaging, and valuable content. Remember, when your students gain real skills and knowledge, they're more likely to leave a glowing review. The link to Teachable is in the description. But how do you ensure ongoing student satisfaction? The answer? Constant feedback. Integrate surveys, quizzes, and discussion prompts throughout your course. This not only helps you refine your content, but also encourages students to share their experiences. Support is crucial. Always be there to help your students with any queries. A robust support system isn't just about solving problems. It's about building relationships that lead to positive reviews. Now let's get systematic. Implement a process for collecting reviews. Send automated emails after course completion, inviting students to share their thoughts. Make this as easy as possible with direct links to the review section. Consider incentivizing your students for their reviews. Discounts on future courses or access to exclusive content can go a long way. But remember, it's about honest feedback, so keep things transparent. Testimonials are powerful. Showcase them on your sales page. Let your prospective students see the success stories and positive experiences of others. Engagement doesn't end at the review. Respond to your students' feedback. Show them that you value their opinions and address any constructive criticism professionally. And don't forget the power of social proof. Share positive reviews on social media, engage with your followers, and let the world see the impact of your courses. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.